In this session, we will study the nature of economics. The word economy comes from Greek. Oikos means household, and nomos means to manage. Thus, economy means the act of managing household. While managing household, there are problems exist, such as who cleans the house, who makes money, who cooks, etc. Now we need to know why the problems happen. It's due to the lack of resources, such as the number of individuals in household, the length of the area, the income received, and the kind. Furthermore, household can be viewed in two perspectives. First, in narrow perspective, it refers to individuals, family for instance. Secondly, in a broadened perspective, it refers to society or nations. In order to solve the problems, it needs capability to manage and allocate all resources to meet the needs. So, the main focus on the circumstances lies on, first, the scarcity of the resources, and last but not least, the management and allocation of the resources. To sum up, economics is the study on how household manages and allocates resources scarcity to accomplish certain goals. Also, there are two elements in economics: positive economics and normative economics. The difference between them is that, while in positive economics, the analysis is based on how the economy works in reality, on the other hand, in normative economics, the analysis is based on how the economy works, ideally. As a summary, the essence of household is on managing and allocating resources scarcity to achieve its goals. And economics provides analyses on how to address these matters.